FutureDoc, it helped me out a lot, to be honest. So for example, I did the online course, and it was really good because it kind of gave bite-sized videos of how to cover each of the sections, and not just like the 5 sections that there are, but also how to tackle each question type. So FutureDoc helped me get a really impressive score of 2,840, which is an average of 710 across each section. And my SJT, I got a band 1. I think I did a couple of questions from the textbook, and the mistake I made is I went straight into mocks, and I was getting like low 500s, and I'd do a mock every single day, and my score just kept going down, and it wasn't helping. And then obviously I asked Ash, like, what should I do? And so then after watching the course and figuring out that I need a strategy to how to answer every question. Like, you can't just answer it without like a proven formula of how to approach it, especially with abstract reasoning. If you don't know how to, the top box message or Spartan IBS, if you don't know these acronyms or these techniques, I'm sorry, no matter how smart you are, you just can't answer these questions. And so having that framework after I did the online course, my scores escalated, and I was getting mid 700s, sometimes even 800s. And there'd be a video where like they give you a question, and the next one you answer it, and then the one after that is kind of like the mark scheme. And it's really helpful because you can have like word bank, like question banks and like textbooks that kind of give the explanation, but when it's coming from someone verbally in a video, it adds a different spin to it, especially with SJT questions. Like, I don't think I would have got a band 1 that I did get without FutureDoc.